idea of using gold leaf paint is a really appealing idea because working with actual gold leaf is kind of a pain in the butt. I wanted to compare these and see what kind of results can we actually get. Let's get crafty. That's a lot of gold paint. Leave for 30-60 minutes until dry. Okay. Bossy Becky. Oh, you're pretty. Right in the middle so we can really see. Yeah, we're gonna do that. This looks like mustard to me. Okay. What do y'all think? Now, let's let it dry. Let's also put it on something else, okay? Let's give her a try. Because, I mean, up next to real gold or fake gold, that might not really fly. But I want to see what kind of results we can get. If you don't care if it looks exactly like faux gold, you just want it to be gold color, like metallic gold color, maybe. We'll come back in 30 minutes and see what we think. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Raphaela. If you like videos about gold leaf or glitter, you should subscribe and join the Sparkle Squad. So that's what I do on this channel. And also, we can be Goldilocks together. Plus, I'm really trying to grow this channel to 20K before St. Patty's Day, so help me out. But I'm gonna have to put this on white because as you can see, it appears that the color varies dependent upon what you're putting it on top of, which is really important to know. Okay, on just white, like white, it looks really pretty on white. I can totally see how you could use this on white. No, actually, okay, when I did another coat. All right, guys, it's been about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the comparison. This is faux gold against this. Just God help my soul, I'm gonna try to take out real gold and put it out here. Faux gold leaf on the left, however the hell you pronounce that, and real gold on the right. What do you guys think? Look like real gold? Or even fake gold? No, it's not even close to the same color. But that said, I actually think it looks beautiful on white. Like if you were putting this on a piece of lighter furniture and there wasn't faux gold leaf or real gold leaf to compare it to, this would look beautiful. That's really, really pretty. This is on black. I touched it. Oops, it wasn't dry when I did, but it is dry now. Okay, real gold, this paint stuff, faux gold on the left. What do you guys think? Again, pretty, it's a look. I mean, it says metallic gold, it doesn't say gold leaf. I'm gonna try other gold leaf paints on this channel, but this is supposed to be metallic gold. And I mean, does it look like metallic gold? Sure, I guess. And then this is faux gold on the left, this metallic gold in the center, real gold on the right. Tilted so you guys can see in multiple angles. Is it metallic gold? Yes, to a point. That is what it looks like on white, tan or light wood, and on black. So as you can see, color of this product is gonna shift based on what you're putting it on. This is actually still pretty. Like if you wanted to make like little gold colored gift tags, so cute. White, I mean, that's beautiful. Black, I don't know. I mean, I don't particularly love that, but again, I mean, I'm not the only person in the world playing with this stuff. You guys tell me, what do you think in the comments below? Would you use this? What would you use it for? I would say if you want that gold leaf look, right? But you don't feel like messing with the hassle of like real gold leaf or fake gold leaf because it is such a mess, then this metallic gold leaf paint may be an option for you. $10 for this. I mean, look at this jar. I would never be able to use this in my whole life. This is 100 milliliters. Whatever the hell that means in ounces, I don't know. Look, I mean, there is a ton of it. This is massive, all right? You see how big this is? Huge. That's what she said. Yeah, this is a great tool to have around for touch-ups or little projects without the mess of actual gold leaf. If you guys enjoy videos about gold leaf or glitter, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that other people who love that stuff too can find it. If you're feeling extra crafty, share this video with a friend. See you little Goldilocks in the next one. Bye-bye.